subscribe the channel and share with your friends. So in this video I will share you about the cost of living of Chennai, and we will see some expenses and what are the daily needs of people in Chennai. So let's start the video. So first we will see about the living cost. So 4-person family monthly cost is approximately 86,048 rupees without rent. A single person monthly cost is approximately 24,514.57 rupees without rent. So cost of living index in Chennai is 2.5% and rent in Chennai is on average 12.14%. Cost of living rank is 530th of 556 cities in the world. There are total 556 cities in the world. So Chennai has the cost of living index of 25.71%. So these were about the living cost. So now we see about food cost and restaurant costs. So meal expensive restaurant is approximately 110 rupees. Meal for 2 people mid-range restaurant 3 course is 1000 rupees. McDonald's meals is approximately 250 rupees. Domestic beer 0.5 liter 150 rupees. Imported beer 0.33 liter 300 rupees. Cappuccino regular 137.31 rupees. Coca-Cola Pepsi 35.17 rupees. Water bottle 14.67 rupees. So now we will see about market cost. So milk 1 liter 49.46 rupees. Loaf of fresh bread 35.55 rupees. Rice, white rice 1 kg 53.28 rupees. Eggs 12 eggs 60.5 rupees. Local cheese 1 kg 493 rupees. Chicken fillets 1 kg 229.78 rupees. Buffalo 1 round 379.40 rupees. Apples 1 kg 165.45 rupees. Banana 1 kg means 1 dozen 60.45 rupees. Oranges 1 kg 88.83 rupees. Tomato 1 kg 32.90 rupees. Potato 1 kg 37.25 rupees. Onion 1 kg 30.97 rupees. Lutex 1 head 33.07 rupees. Water 1.5 liter water bottle 28.78 rupees. So bottle of wine mid-range 500 rupees. Domestic beer 0.5 liter 148.14 rupees. Imported beer 0.33 liter 255.53 rupees. And cigarette 20 packet Malboro 300 rupees. So this was about the market cost and daily needs. So now we will see about the transportation cost. So one way ticket local transport is approximately 20 rupees. Monthly pass regular price 1000 rupees. Taxi start normal tariff 100 rupees. Taxi 1 kilometer 15 rupees. Taxi 1 hour waiting normal tariff 100 rupees. Gasoline 1 liter 77.96 rupees. Volkswagen Golf 1.1490 kilowatt Trendly or equivalent new car 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees. Toyota Corolla sedan 1.66 liter 97 kilowatt comfort or equivalent new car 17,61,424.43 rupees. So this was about the transportation cost. So now we'll see about utilities and monthly expenses. So basic involves the electricity, heating, cooling, water, garbage for 85 M2 apartment is approximately 2,586.03 rupees. 1 minute of prepaid mobile tariff local, no discounts or plans 0.88 rupees. Internet 60 Mbps or more, unlimited data cable 866.27 rupees. This was about the utilities. So now we'll see about the sports and leisure and some entertainment. So fitness club monthly free for 1 adult and it cost approximately 1,423.99 rupees. Tennis court rent 1 hour on weekend 400 rupees. Cinema international release 1 seat 200 rupees. Now we will see about the child care and child equipments. Preschool or kindergartens full day private monthly for 1 child 4,513 rupees. International primary school yearly for 1 child 1,11,821.96 rupees. Now we will see about clothing and shoes. 1 pair of jeans Levi's 501 or similar 2,148.29 rupees. 1 summer dress in chain store Zara or Kids is 2,214 rupees. 1 pair of Nike running shoes 3,106 rupees. One pair of men leather business shoes, 2478 rupees. Now it's about the rent of the apartment. So rent per month of one bedroom city is 13,534.09 rupees. Apartment one bedroom outside the center is 7,788 rupees. Apartment 3 bedrooms in city is 34,435 rupees. Apartment 3 bedrooms outside the center means outside the city is 18,730 rupees. If you have to buy the apartment, so this price are given. So price per square meter to buy apartment in city center is 1,52,388.04 rupees. Price per square meter to buy apartment outside the center is 52,873 rupees. So now it's about the salaries and financing. Average monthly salary is approximately 33,972. Now this will vary from job to job and the head of that job. So mortgages interest rate in percentage is yearly for 9.77%. This is fixed for rate. So this was of the cost of living in Chennai and some expenses. So friends, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and one like for this video. And if you want any video for your country or city,